Here we are discussing question number 5 of exercise 7.2 from the chapter of coordinate geometry. Topic is section formula. Here question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining A coordinates 1 minus 5 and B coordinates minus 4 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. We can solve this question very easily with the help of section formula. In the previous videos we are using the formula which we have already studied in this topic, section formula. If any two points, suppose point A having coordinate x1 y1 and point B having coordinate x2 y2 has been divided by any point P, okay, with ratio m:n, then coordinates of this point, suppose coordinate of point P is xy, then coordinates of the point xy can be written as mx2 plus mx1 divided by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. You know, this is section formula. We are going to use this formula here. So here given that point A has coordinates 1 and minus 5, 1 and minus 5, and B coordinate is minus 4 5, minus 4 5. Here ratio is not given, but mention that this line segment is divided by the x-axis. Okay, so you know that if any line segment is divided by x-axis like this, then here y coordinate is 0. So if distance we suppose x, then y coordinate will be 0 here. Correct? So let us suppose that let P divides AB at x-axis. So we can suppose coordinate of P will be y coordinate is 0. So let us suppose this is x0. And we can find out the value of x. Here what we have to find out? Find the coordinate of point of the division, as well as we have to find the ratio m:n. Here we are using m and n. That ratio is required here, as well as we need coordinates of this point x0. Correct? So let ratio be m:n. Let P divides the line segment AB in the ratio. Ratio is always internal ratio, okay, internal division. Ratio m:n. Now we can use this formula here. For the sake of convenience, we are taking these coordinates as x1 y1 and these two coordinates as x2 y2. So x coordinate of P, therefore x coordinate of P is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So mx2, in place of x2 we can write minus 4 here, minus 4 plus n x1, x1 is 1, divided by m plus n. This gives value of x. Similarly, y coordinate 0 is equal to my2 plus ny1. Okay, so my2 is 5 plus ny1. ny1 is minus 5 divided by m plus n. So here we can find out the ratio m:n very easily with the help of this relation. By cross multiplication, 0 into m plus 1 will be 0. So we are getting here 5m minus 5n is equal to 0, or 5m is equal to 5n, or transposing n to left side, m by n is equal to transposing 5 to right side, 5 by 5. This is nothing but 1 by 1. So we are getting here the ratio m is to n is equal to 1 is to 1. This is the answer here. Very simple. And if we put this value m is to n ratio here, we can find out value of x very easily. We require value of x also. Find the coordinates of point of division. Means we have to find out px0. 0 is already we have to find x. Okay. So here x can also be written as, let us divide numerator and denominator by n. So this is minus 4 into m by n plus 1 upon m by n plus 1. And m by n is equal to how much? M by n is equal to 1. This is nothing but 1 by 1, that is 1. So this is equal to minus 4 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. And this is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. So therefore value of x is equal to minus 3 by 2. And we need coordinates of this point P of division, which is x0. Now we are getting here P is equal to minus 3 by 2 and 0. This is the answer for coordinates of the point of division, and this is the answer for this one, ratio. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining these 2 points divides. Correct? So these are the answer. Very interesting, very simple, but question is very important. So please take note of it, and I advise you to do some more practice of this type of question. So wish you all the best. Thank you very much.